Often described as one of Alabama's best-kept secrets, the University of Montevallo offers even more surprises inside the city. Discover one of Montevallo's little-known outdoor activities. The City of Montevallo's park trails are the perfect opportunity to get outdoors and get active. With scenic views and clear-cut paths, it's a great place for outdoor running, walking, or hiking. Not only are the park's trails great for more advanced runners, but many people enjoy using the trail as a convenient way to escape from the stresses of college life.
I like to use the trails to get away and use it as venting space, and it's also close to the school and I feel safe there.
Other students use the trails for more intense training and getting in shape.
I heard about the trails through one of my sorority sisters. She actually was training for a half marathon, and so I heard about it through her, and since then, I've been going out there maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
The Montevallo Parks Trail is safe and easily accessible to UM students. Don't let the perfect spring weather slip by without experiencing what Montevallo's own hiking trail has to offer.